Hi there, let me show you how to install apps on your iPhone 15. Let's get started. So it is really simple and convenient. We just need this App Store application which is installed here by default. So just launch it, and right here on the bottom of the screen you can see suggested options. We have here Today icon, Games, Apps and Arcade. Or if you know which app you want to download, you can search for it manually. Tap the search button and type in something. For example, let's install TikTok. So I'm gonna select it from the suggested options and here choose Get button. After this, you would need to double click to install and then it will require your Face ID. So let's do it. And here it is. Now it will be loading. So let's just wait a couple of seconds till it will load and we will be able to open it. And here it is, just simply open it and here is your TikTok. You can also see it right here on the home screen. You can do just the same with any other applications. And that's it. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching.